Honorable Speaker, introduce to you MP-elect for Emurua Dikirr, Keter David Kipsang.
Christian, take the Bible in your right hand, raise it, and recite this oath.
I,
Use the mic.
I, David Kipsang Keter, having been elected a member of the National Assembly, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament. So help me God.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You may proceed and sign to the oath. Finished? You can proceed to the bar, and the new member can take his space in the House. Majority Leader, I'll direct. Majority Leader, I know we have now 2 members who have not been assigned committees. So I direct that in the shortest time possible, you convene the committee so that you can assign the member for Isiolo. Is it Isiolo North or South? Isiolo South, and the member for Emurua Dikirr committees so that they can start their work in earnest. Next.